Hello everyone, I am Michael and I help guide people on their evolutionary journey. What is the importance of frequencies and how could we apply them to our everyday lives? Everyone should be conscious of the healing powers of frequencies. Frequencies, sounds, have healing effects to the body. This was one of the most important things that I came across in my journey, to be conscious of the healing powers of frequencies. Nikola Tesla spoke about frequencies and how they affect the physical vessel and other aspects of the universe. Two frequencies to concentrate on are 528 Hertz and 936 Hertz. These two frequencies, if we apply them in our everyday lives, can help us heal our body. 528 Hertz is a frequency that resonates within the cells of the body. At night, you could play 528 Hertz and fill the room with that sound. We should sleep more efficiently. We heal our body, our vessel, as we sleep. 528 Hertz will help you sleep more efficiently. When we sleep at night, that's when we do our healing. Sleep better, we heal better. So 528 Hertz is one of the most powerful frequencies in the universe. The other frequency to concentrate on is 936 Hertz. 936 Hertz resonates specifically in the pineal gland. The pineal gland resonates and affects our sleeping patterns, and it is in control of our regeneration process. We could utilize the frequency 936 Hertz. This is a little bit more of an intense frequency. This frequency could be used during the daytime and helps decalcify the pineal gland. So naturally, we can use the frequencies to get our vessel back to its original perfect state. The regeneration process is essential to navigating this life. So 528 Hertz, you could sleep with 528 Hertz on to naturally heal better while you sleep. And 936 Hertz to help decalcify the pineal gland and allow the pineal gland to do what it does. Regulate your sleep while you heal, right? And to take back control of our regeneration process. Remember, we cannot control what is around us. However, we can control from within. Be conscious of the healing powers of frequencies. Raise your vibration and increase your electromagnetism. Life is so much better when we are all together. If you find this message inspiring or know someone that could benefit from it, please share this message. I am Michael. Find us in the 5th dimension. Have a wonderful day living your everyday life. 528 Hertz. It's the answer to your everyday life.